Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen and today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. I'm going to use Davis eye pencil number 18 at first. Then I will be using Davis eye pencil, a black one. The reason why I'm using the brown one at first, I want the front part to look faded. Then I'm going to perfect it with the black eye pencil. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, comment down below, and tell a friend to subscribe. Yeah, as you can see, the front part looks faded. Then I'm going to conceal. My concealer for today is L.A Girl Pro-concealer. And please guys, when it comes to a concealer, please choose your color. As you can see, mine looks so close to my color. They look alike. And I'm going to conceal it with even at the upper part. I know most of the people conceal the upper part with the foundation. As for me, I'm going to conceal with the concealer. The reason why, it's because the concealer look much similar to my skin color and I know how to blend it. But if you don't know how to blend it, please kindly use a foundation at the upper part. It makes it look so natural. But for me, I know how to conceal it, to blend it, sorry. You can even see the concealer look much alike like my skin. I had done the other eyebrow, so I'm trying to make it look the same size. They cannot look alike, guys. They are never twins. They are never going to look alike. Then I'm going to blend the concealer on my skin with my fingers. Then I'm going to use the beauty blender to blend it completely. As you can see, there are no concealers left. Then I'm going to take a spoolie brush and brush the eyebrows out. We are going to make the front part look so natural. Nobody will notice you have done your eyebrows with eye pencil. Most of the people, by the way, think they are your natural eyebrows. I don't know how people think. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. That was all. It was that simple, that short. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, suggest for more videos, what you want to show me to show you next. And yes, thank you and bye.